Jesus freak here. And I just just intercepted the mailman. Well, let's see what I got here. I think there's two things in here. I've got Little Richard's Hey, 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 Hey stuck in my head. Actually, I got the Beatles version of it in my head. Paul McCartney learned from the master. Packet of peanuts. I know when I see them. Get this under control. Don't want packing peanuts all over the place. This is Trinitarian's version of the Personal Size Concord, which, and I'm going to destroy this opening. I have a Church Bible Publishers version of it. Binding's going to probably need to break in a bit. Still got those old maps, same old Cambridge maps local church version. I mean, the church version has. Now, it doesn't have the dictionary and concordance that you find in the Cambridge and church versions. These were replaced by a simple glossary. And their reading plan. And it does have a simpler presentation page, I think. Don't remember if the other had did it, the family section or not. I have to check that. But it is an actual Cambridge Personal Size Concord. And this is apparently it's an older copy because it was printed on the Cambridge presses. And they haven't had those for years. There's the epistle dedicatory, translators to the reader. The pages have a distinct off-white hue to them. I have to look. I thought these would be a slightly cleaner print than this. I don't see the traditional crooked ribbons, but the placement's kind of weird. And getting them how I like them behind the back of the spine is going to be a trick. So we'll just shove them in here for now and deal with it later. Didn't think the TBS version still have the maps. But I'm not surprised they ditched the dictionary. It's too Anglican, probably. Anyway, Jesus freak out.